With the current climate over the past few weeks, it's been more important than ever to keep in touch with friends, family and work colleagues. And one of the biggest viral hits has been the HouseParty app, owned by Epic Games, who are also the creators of the popular game Fortnite. However, you may be concerned to hear rumours spreading like wildfire on Twitter and Facebook about the video calling app being compromised and users are frantically deleting their apps. HouseParty users are claiming that the app has been hacked, reporting that they've had Spotify, PayPal and bank accounts breached since downloading the app. The app owner, Epic Games, denies that a breach has taken place, stating we've found no evidence to suggest a link between HouseParty and the compromises of other unrelated accounts. As a general rule, we suggest all users choose strong passwords when creating online accounts on any platform. Use a unique password for each account and use a password generator or password manager to keep track of passwords rather than using passwords that are short and simple. Now, although the app has recently shot up in popularity, it's certainly not a new platform and it's actually been around since 2015. However, this could be a little too late with many of their audience now boycotting the app. Now, there is no substantiated evidence to show that the app has been hacked, but it might be worth using this as a wake-up call to us all. As in the unfortunate event that one password does become compromised, this could then have a domino effect with the rest of your online accounts. If there has been a breach of your online private data, you would have to change the passwords to any associated accounts. This could be the likes of your Facebook, Snapchat, Spotify, or banking passwords. One of the best ways to protect your online privacy is creating unique passwords for each account. Now, I understand that to remember all of these individual passwords can be quite tricky without again compromising your security. So one way to get around this is by using a password manager such as LastPass. This is something that I personally use and I've created a video tutorial around this. But basically with LastPass you can generate strong, secure passwords for every account that you use. And best of all is that they are all stored for you without you needing to remember them all. Other best security practices are to turn on two-factor authentication for any applications or accounts that support it. And this could be the likes of a text alert or using an app such as Google Authenticator to provide you with a one-time code. And it's also worth double-checking the settings in your apps just to check to see what information you're sharing with it. And then you can decide how open you want to be with that app. Then what are your alternatives to HouseParty? Well, first there's Zoom. Zoom is a video conferencing service which is free of charge. This allows you to host more than HouseParty's party of 8 and you can host up to 100 people on their platform. You can do similar things such as sharing screens and documents, creating face-to-face chats, as well as sending messages through their chat platform. If you're new and need help getting started, I'll pop a beginner's guide in the summary below. Then in terms of other similar style apps that offer more than just video calling, you have the likes of Just Talk. Now Just Talk is great for larger groups of up to 50, plus you can challenge games. There's Squad, where you can share screen and video call with up to 6 different people. Airtime allows you to co-listen and co-watch videos with 6 of your friends, pulling in things from the likes of YouTube and Spotify to your call. And you also have Bunch, which is another app where you can access a whole host of games to play with each other. Then there's a somewhat forgotten and yet one of the very first video chat platforms available, which is Skype, and also a great alternative. If you want to go ahead and delete your HouseParty app, you can do so within the app itself, and check out my video where I show you a step-by-step guide. If you are concerned about a breach of your passwords though, then please do remember that simply deleting the app will not protect you, and what you'll need to do is change any associated passwords too. And I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful today. And if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button and share if you feel that others may benefit. Also, please do head over to my website at www.everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.